Mastering AI-powered productivity. 10 essential tools for 2024. In today's fast-paced world, mastering AI-powered productivity tools is more crucial than ever, especially as we head into 2025. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we work, enabling us to streamline tasks, enhance collaboration, and make data-driven decisions with ease. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, this video is designed to engage and inform you about the transformative power of AI in boosting productivity. We'll explore essential AI tools that can help you automate mundane tasks, improve time management, and ultimately elevate your work efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage these innovative tools to supercharge your productivity in the coming year. Understanding AI-powered productivity. AI-powered productivity refers to the use of artificial intelligence technologies to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in the workplace. In 2024, this concept is more relevant than ever, as businesses seek innovative ways to stay competitive. AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and provide insights that help teams make informed decisions quickly. This streamlining of processes not only saves time but also allows employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. Moreover, the trend of integrating AI into various industries is rapidly growing, from healthcare to finance, making it essential for professionals to adapt. Embracing AI-powered productivity is no longer optional. It's a vital component of modern work environments. Tool number 1, Notion. Notion is a versatile productivity tool that seamlessly combines notes, tasks, and databases into one cohesive platform. This all-in-one workspace allows users to organize their thoughts, manage projects, and track progress effortlessly. One of Notion's standout features is its customizable templates, which cater to various needs, from personal to professional. Whether you're creating a to-do list, a project roadmap, or a knowledge base, Notion has you covered. Additionally, its collaborative features enable teams to work together in real time, making it easy to share ideas and updates. The benefits of using Notion extend to both personal and team productivity, as it fosters organization, enhances communication, and ultimately helps users achieve their goals more efficiently. Tool number 2, Trello. Trello is a visual project management tool designed to enhance team collaboration and streamline task organization. Its intuitive card and board system allows users to create boards for different projects, with cards representing individual tasks. This visual layout makes it easy to see the status of each task at a glance, facilitating effective communication among team members. Trello also enables users to add comments, attachments, and due dates to cards, ensuring everyone stays informed and aligned on project progress. Additionally, Trello boasts impressive integration capabilities with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and more, allowing teams to centralize their workflow. By using Trello, teams can improve their project tracking and foster a more collaborative work environment. Tool number 3, Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that significantly enhances clear communication by checking grammar, punctuation, and style. This powerful tool analyzes your writing in real time, providing instant feedback and suggestions to improve clarity and coherence. Whether you're drafting an email, a report, or an academic paper, Grammarly helps you refine your language, ensuring your message is conveyed effectively. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for everyone, from students to professionals. The importance of Grammarly in professional and academic writing cannot be overstated, as it not only helps avoid embarrassing mistakes but also elevates the overall quality of your work. By using Grammarly, you can communicate with confidence and professionalism in any writing context. Tool number 4, Zapier. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps and workflows, making it easier to streamline your daily tasks. By automating repetitive tasks between applications, Zapier allows you to focus on more important work rather than getting bogged down by manual processes. Its user-friendly interface enables users to create zaps, which are automated workflows that trigger actions in one app based on events in another. For example, you can set up a zap to automatically save email attachments to your cloud storage or add new contacts to your CRM. This powerful tool has the potential to save you significant time and reduce manual work, ultimately enhancing your productivity and efficiency across various projects and tasks. Tool number 5, Todoist. Todoist is a powerful task management app designed to help you prioritize and organize your tasks effectively. With features that allow for task categorization through projects, labels, and filters, Todoist makes it easy to keep your workload manageable. You can set deadlines and reminders, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. One of the standout aspects of Todoist is its cross-platform availability, allowing you to access your tasks from any device, whether you're at your desk or on the go. This flexibility enhances your productivity, as you can update and check off tasks anytime, anywhere. Additionally, Todoist integrates seamlessly with other productivity tools like Google Calendar and Slack, creating a cohesive workflow that keeps you organized and focused. Tool number 6, Slack. Slack is a dynamic communication platform that significantly enhances team collaboration. Its channels allow teams to create dedicated spaces for specific projects or topics, making it easy to organize discussions and keep relevant information in one place. In addition to channels, Slack offers direct messaging features for quick, one-on-one conversations, ensuring that team members can communicate efficiently. One of Slack's key strengths is its ability to integrate with various productivity tools, such as Google Drive, Trello, and Asana, allowing teams to streamline their workflows. By using Slack, organizations can reduce email clutter, as important updates and discussions happen in real time, improving overall communication and fostering a more connected and engaged team environment. Tool number 7, Microsoft Power Automate. Microsoft Power Automate is a powerful tool designed for automating workflows across various Microsoft applications. It connects different Microsoft services, such as SharePoint, Outlook, and Teams, allowing users to create seamless integrations that enhance productivity. One of the standout features of Power Automate is its ability to create automated workflows without any coding knowledge, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, you can set up triggers and actions to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending notifications or updating records. For businesses that rely on Microsoft products, Power Automate offers significant benefits by streamlining processes, reducing manual work, and improving overall efficiency, ultimately leading to a more productive work environment. Tool number 8, ClickUp. ClickUp is an all-in-one project management tool designed to cater to the diverse needs of teams. It offers robust features for task management, allowing users to create, assign, and prioritize tasks effortlessly. With built-in time tracking, teams can monitor how long they spend on projects, ensuring better resource allocation and productivity. ClickUp also provides comprehensive reporting tools that help analyze performance and project progress. One of its standout features is the customizable views and templates, which can be tailored to fit different workflows, whether you prefer lists, boards, or calendars. Its versatility makes ClickUp suitable for various industries and team sizes, empowering organizations to streamline their processes and enhance collaboration across the board. Tool number 9, Miro. Miro is a collaborative online whiteboard that enhances brainstorming and planning for remote teams. It facilitates visual collaboration by allowing team members to contribute ideas, sketches, and notes in real time, regardless of their location. Miro offers a variety of templates designed for brainstorming sessions, mind mapping, and project planning, making it easy to kickstart creative processes and organize thoughts effectively. These templates help streamline discussions and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Additionally, Miro integrates seamlessly with other productivity tools like Slack, Trello, and Google Drive, allowing teams to incorporate their existing workflows into the platform. By using Miro, teams can foster creativity, improve communication, and enhance overall collaboration in their projects. Tool number 10, AI-powered analytics tools. AI-powered analytics tools are essential for data-driven decision-making, as they analyze vast amounts of data to provide actionable insights. By leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning, these tools can identify trends, patterns, and anomalies that might go unnoticed in traditional analysis. This capability plays a crucial role in improving business strategies and performance, enabling organizations to make informed decisions that drive growth and efficiency. In 2024, several popular AI analytics tools are making waves, including Tableau, Power BI, and Google Analytics 4. These platforms not only simplify data visualization but also offer predictive analytics features, empowering businesses to anticipate market changes and adapt their strategies accordingly. Embracing AI-powered analytics is key to staying competitive in today's data-driven landscape. Conclusion: In this video, we explored 10 essential AI-powered productivity tools that can significantly enhance your workflow and collaboration. From Notion's versatile organization features to Miro's collaborative whiteboard capabilities, each tool offers unique benefits tailored to improve efficiency and communication. We emphasized the importance of leveraging AI technology effectively to streamline tasks and make data-driven decisions. As you consider integrating these tools into your routine, remember that the right technology can transform your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Stay tuned for more content that will help you navigate the evolving landscape of productivity tools.